Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a Ghanaian local dish, Kontomire Abomu, spinach dipping sauce with plantain and cocoyams. Let's get right into the video. Normally, cocoyam leaves is used for this sauce, but I'll be using a combination of kale and organic spinach. I also have roasted tomato, scotch bonnet, turkey berries, shallots, scallion, ginger, and garlic. And these are my plantain and cocoyams. To a pot, I'll add in my kale. Kale contains 4 times the vitamin C content of spinach, as well as nutrients like vitamin E and beta-carotene. I'll add in my turkey berries, which is packed with vitamins and antioxidant. I'll add my habanero pepper, water. I'll cover and allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll go ahead to grind my shallot, garlic, ginger. I'll add a bit of salt and then I'll grind. I'm using an earthenware and a grinding stick. You can find this at the African markets or any Afro shops. I'll add in my scallion and then I'll grind as well. I went ahead to remove the habanero pepper from the pot. I'll add in my roasted tomatoes and then I'll grind. If you don't have this earthenware, you can use a food processor to do this grinding, okay? You can blend it with your blender or food processor. If you don't have this earthenware, please don't stress it. I'll now check on my boiling vegetables. It is looking good. So I'll add in my spinach and I'll allow the spinach to cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I'll remove my cooked vegetables, strain, and then I'll bring it into the earthenware to grind. And I'll grind until very smooth or to my preferred smoothness. And then I'll add salt to taste if needed. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you all. I'll now begin to peel my cocoyams and plantain. You can use a peeler to peel your cocoyams or a knife. I prefer using a knife. Once that is peeled, I'll cut it into my preferred sizes and then I will begin peeling my plantain. To peel my plantain, I'm cutting both ends of the plantain and then I'll make an incision with the knife and then I'll remove the skin of the plantain. I'll then use a knife to scrape the skin of the plantain off and then I'll cut it into my preferred sizes. So easy. At this point, I'll take both the cocoyam and plantain to my sink and then I'll give it a good rinse. I've already begun boiling my water in a pot. I'll put in the cocoyams, I'll add salt, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Whilst my cocoyam is cooking, I went ahead to melt my palm oil. I'll add in my shallots and then I'll fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. The palm oil and the onion serves as a garnish to the spinach dipping sauce. You can use more or less. Now my onion is perfectly fried. I'll remove it from heat and set it on the side. At this point, my cocoyams has cooked for about 10 minutes. I'll add in my plantain. Plantains doesn't take too long to cook. I'll allow it to cook for about 7 minutes together with the cocoyam. I'll check the cocoyam if it is very well cooked and then I'll remove my plantain into cold water. I'll remove the cocoyam from flame and then drain the water. At this point, this meal is ready. I'll garnish it with my palm oil and onion, and you can enjoy this with any protein of choice or as it is. So I have here my grilled tilapia, and then I'll add in my cocoyams, my plantain. Everything goes into the earthenware, guys. And don't forget your avocados. Avocado has to represent in this dish. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly like, comment, and subscribe Please share this video with your friends as well. Until I come your way next time, please stay blessed and stay safe. Bye guys.